Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons